Good morning. It's a new day of a new week. And this morning I am going to a client's home who's planning on purchasing a fireplace from us. But before she does, she's trying to decide between two choices, a smaller unit or a larger unit. This morning, I'm going to go open up some drywall. This is a house she built a few years ago with the intention of putting a fireplace in this space, but they just drywalled over it. So there's a header in the wall, and we don't know exactly where that header is. So I'm going to remove some drywall, and hopefully there's not a million spiders behind the drywall. That'll be fun. All right, I'm back at the Fireplace Whisperer Studios, gonna work on the estimate for this job. You can see some of my notes. Quick look. Not gonna show you everything. As of right now, I've agreed to something that I haven't agreed to in a long time, and that is making a concrete hearth for this. It'll be cantilevered, so it'll be up off the floor about 6-7 inches and come out about 10 inches. Fireplace will sit on that. It's going to be kind of a dark charcoal color. We'll throw some color in the concrete as we're mixing it up. Pour it into the mold, and then after it cures, set it into place, set the fireplace on it. I don't know if I'm going to end up doing it or not. We'll find out. If I do, it's going to be really cool. Okay, enough diddle-dalling. Better get to work.